Okay, it's a 2013 Dodge Charger T5.7 HEMI engine. So today remove the radiator. So first of all, remove this top side, this both side. Remove this plastic piece top side, and remove the these whole things from bumper cover. Remove this clip here, bumper clip, two piece, both sides. Okay, and remove the underside, screw this three, okay, 4, 5, 6 piece to remove this. Okay. This one is size 932. 932. Okay, remove the big bumper. Okay, come out. Okay, on the side. Okay, and remove socket both sides. Fog light socket. This and this one. Okay, and now easy to access. Okay, and the next, remove this two-piece front side of the radiator. These things, two-piece, remove it. Okay. You see leakage. One side is open. More easy to remove. So condenser front have to remove. Condenser, AC condenser. Hi, next, ここね。Remove this screw side force on. Yes, remove. なかったよな。よし。Okay. Remove a horn, bracket, two piece, 10mm head. Screw this one. And away the wire harness, temperature sensor, remove away this, and more clearance of the remove before ready to remove. Okay, so ready. Okay, next remove 8mm screw, side of condenser. 1 and the side 2, 3, 4. Here 3 and on the side. That's number 4. Okay. そして次ね、remove this ね。そして、next. So away だね。コンデンサー、AC コンデンサーね。これね。それで次が、ファンのこのねレディータファンをねリムーブして、ね、これリムーブしてラジエーターのファン。Lift up the car and remove undercover, front side undercover, very front, and screw to screw there, and it's gonna be easy. Put that down. Screw there. That's easier. Okay, remove under brackets and easy come out all radiator from bottom. Okay, easy. Okay, anyway, look at this underside leakage of the radiator. Okay, this is all leakage. Okay. Okay, how to remove that? Okay. Okay, so came out down and the top piece of this and new holes upper and lower and down. Okay, come out from the underside. Okay, so remove this one. Let's go here, two piece. Okay, remove the fan. Clean up. And the new one. This is it. New one. Old one. New one. Okay. Okay. DENSO. Okay. Okay, put the fan. This fan. Okay. So here. This side.ここを入れて、でスクリューだね。スクリュー。シャッケ。Okay, new radiator installed from underside. Back to the same procedure. So return back to the same. So using upper hose clamp install 8mm screw condenser to connect to the AC connector to the radiator. Okay. And this turn to this one. Okay, installation of that screw underside subframe. Already 4 piece. Okay, back to the same procedure. And already installed clamp underside, clamp tight already. And all back to the same procedure. Okay. Already installed radiator. That was the radiator, how to install the radiator. Okay. So that's all. Okay.